In this video, I'll detail how to use FaceTime on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is your first time of holding an iPhone or you just have your first iPhone and you want to use FaceTime, then this video is going to walk you through. This is a complete guide on how to use FaceTime on iPhone, especially if you are running on iOS 18 or iOS 17. So if you're not on this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing to do when you want to set up or use FaceTime is to confirm that you've turned on the FaceTime on your iPhone. Now, to confirm this, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, locate FaceTime here if you are using iOS 17.5.1. So for iOS 18, just scroll down and click on apps. Once you selected apps, scroll down and here locate FaceTime and click on that. Now, while on the FaceTime screen, this is what you're going to see. Then go ahead and turn on FaceTime. Once turned on FaceTime, you need to hang on for a couple of seconds. This might take a while before your iPhone can activate your FaceTime. You may see FaceTime activation processing or waiting for FaceTime activation. And here you're going to have access to all the phone number and email added to your Apple ID account. So, and you're going to see your main Apple ID account here. Then once you turn on this, basically, this is going to activate the FaceTime app on your iPhone. Then you can hit the back button. Then let's go back to the home screen. While on the home screen, locate the FaceTime app on your iPhone, this icon, then open that. Once you open it, you're going to see this interface. First, let's go ahead and change your FaceTime profile picture. Click on edit button at top left. Then click on set up name and photo. Then once you selected that, hang on for this page to load. Here you'll be able to set a preferred FaceTime photo on your iPhone. Then once you have this, go ahead and click on edit. Now while on this page, select any of this or create new. So to create new, once you click on create new, you can select camera or photo emoji, then click on photos to choose your photos here. So let's say I want to go with this. Select this. Then once you selected the photo, this is going to set the photo as your FaceTime unlock photo display. Then click on done. Then this is what you're going to have like this for poster. Then click on the continue button. Then you can also just change this to set a contact photo, then click on choose. Click on any of these filter to set your choice of filter, then click on the done button at top right. Then click on the continue button. Once you set up that, you may turn on name and photo sharing. Then select whether I want to share automatically with your contact only or always ask. So here I prefer to share with my contact only. And click on name to set your name here. So go ahead and type in the name you want to display on your FaceTime. So I'm just go ahead and type in my name like this. So go ahead and type in your name. After that, click on the done button at the top right. Then click on done. So this is going to set a new FaceTime profile picture on your iPhone. And this is what you're going to have whenever you have an incoming call on your iPhone. So now to make your first time call on FaceTime, click on new FaceTime. And here you want to search for the person using FaceTime that you know. So here, let me go ahead and put a call through to this person. Then if this person is using FaceTime, once you selected it, you see FaceTime active. Otherwise, you'll be told that this person is not using FaceTime or you'll not be able to make a FaceTime to the person. So suppose I selected my trio, you can see invite with iMessage. So once you selected the person, want to make a FaceTime video call first or voice video call with, you should see FaceTime here and then you should see this icon, which is voice icon enabled. Then to make a video call or FaceTime, go ahead and click on FaceTime. This is going to put a call through to the person. Then if the person picks, you're going to see this particular person on the FaceTime. So this is a video call. Then alternatively, you can use a FaceTime and here make a voice call. So select the person and then click on this. So this is going to put a voice call through instead of a video call. However, while using FaceTime, you can easily share your FaceTime screen with the person you are having the FaceTime conversation with. Now, once the person picks up the FaceTime call, then you have access to all the FaceTime function here. Like you want to share your FaceTime screen, go ahead and click on share. Once you tap the share button, you should see share my screen or listen and play together. You can just click on any of this application to listen together with the person you are FaceTiming with. Then to share your screen, go ahead and click on share my screen. Then screen share countdown, then your screen is now on sharing mode. You see that? Then to stop screen sharing, click on this. This is going to end the screen sharing in your iPhone. At the same time, if you click on camera, this is going to turn off camera while making the video call, and the person in the other hand will no longer be able to see you in the video call. So you can turn off and turn on video call here. Now click on this icon. You took a FaceTime photo to take a FaceTime photo on your iPhone. See that? So while FaceTiming, you can easily take a FaceTime photo without leaving the FaceTime page. Now you can just use speaker, it is, as your FaceTime conversation, or if you are connected to AirPod or AirPod Pro, then select speaker and then choose your means of audio output and then select it from the options. Now to end your FaceTime communication, all you just need to do here is click on the end button. Then that is going to end the FaceTime communication on your iPhone. So this is basically how you can start using FaceTime as a newbie. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.